Okay, so all of you welcome to this Viva host class on mandible. So this bone is very important. It's frequently asked in the examinations. So let me start with Kritika Seth. Kritika, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Kritika, good morning to you. Kritika, now this part of the mandible which I am touching now, what is this called?
Sir, it is ramus and it is the lateral surface of the ramus.
Right. And what is this part of mandible called?
Body of the mandible.
This part of the mandible is called body. So, Kritika, what are the surfaces of the body? How many surfaces the body has got?
Sir, it has two surfaces, internal and external.
So, inside is internal and outside is external.
External.
Yes. Okay. So, what are the features of the external surface of the body?
The external surface has symphysis mentae in the middle.
Symphysis mentae in the middle. Okay.
Yes, mental protuberance, triangular one. And then mental tubercles.
Okay. So, mental.
Oblique line.
Okay, mental protuberance and mental tubercles are there. And what is
Yes,
this foramen here? What is this foramen here?
Mental foramen.
Where is it located?
So it is located at the site of second premolar.
Right. Thank you. So you can mute yourself now. So let me ask Hunar Chopra, roll number 20.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So Hunar, which structures do you see on the inside of the body of mandible?
Sir, mylohyoid line.
Mylohyoid line is there. So what is attached to mylohyoid?
It is a faint ridge.
It's a prominent ridge. Mylohyoid line is a prominent ridge to which what is attached?
Mylohyoid muscle.
Mylohyoid muscle. So I ask all of you to mute yourself except Hunar. Nobody will unmute. So that is the problem. Let me. Yes, now all of you are muted. So it creates unnecessary disturbance. You have to be professional here. Okay, so Hunar, you have the mylohyoid line to which the mylohyoid muscle is attached. Yes. So which other structures are there in the center?
Sir, there are.
So what are these tubercles called?
Genial tubercles.
And what is this depression here on either side of genial tubercle?
Digastric fossa.
Okay, so what is attached here in the digastric fossa?
Digastric muscle.
Which belly? Anterior belly or posterior belly?
Anterior belly of digastric muscle.
Yes, so there is a, like if my thumb is representing the anterior belly of digastric and my index finger is representing the posterior belly of digastric. So these two bellies are arranged like this in the neck. So anterior belly is getting attached here to this depression. Right?
Digastric fossa.
Digastric fossa. Okay, so you can mute yourself, Huna. Now, Davinder Kaur. Davinder Kaur.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you, beta. Okay, so what are the fossae here? Which are the one is digastric fossa? Which other fossae are present on the inner side of the body of mandible?
Sir, sublingual fossa.
Sublingual fossa. So it's on the upper side of the mylohyoid line or lower side?
Sir, lower side.
Lower side में बेटा submandibular fossa होता है. So it's on the upper side of the mylohyoid line, anteriorly and upper to the mylohyoid line. Okay, so that is for the sublingual gland, while this is for the submandibular gland.
Mandibular fossa.
Which other structures are present in the submandibular fossa?
Sir, facial artery, submandibular gland, or sir, submandibular fossa.
Right. So all these structures are present. So you can mute yourself now. So then Achal Deep Kaur.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Acha, Achaldeep Kaur, now here at the junction of body and ramus, what is the location of
Yes.
facial artery and vein?
Sir, it is located at the junction of the body and the ramus,
Hmm.
facial artery and facial vein. Anterior facial artery is present.
So facial
Yeah.
artery is anterior to, if my middle finger is representing the facial artery, then
Yes,
my index
facial.
finger will represent the facial vein. Yes.
Vein.
Okay.
Yes.
So good. Okay. So what about the ramus of mandible? What are the borders and surfaces of ramus of mandible?
It has two surfaces,
Hmm.
lateral and medial. It has 4 borders, upper, lower, anterior, and posterior. And it has 2 processes, coronoid and condylar.
Okay, so coronoid and condylar. Okay, so you can mute
Condylar.
yourself. Mute yourself. Dipanshu, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dipanshu. Now, can you tell me the where is the, okay, so what is this called, Dipanshu? On the inside of the ramus, there is a gap here.
Foramen.
What is this bone? Which bone is this?
Mandible. Mandibular foramen.
So the foramen is mandibular
Mandibular foramen.
foramen. And this tongue-shaped projection in relation to the mandibular foramen, this is?
Mandibular canal.
No, the tongue-shaped projection in relation to the mandibular foramen. Tongue-shaped, so it should be something like lingual. It is lingula.
Lingula. Yes,
So
sir.
what is
Tongue
attached?
shape.
What is attached at the lingula?
Sphenomandibular. क्या था वो sphenomandibular
Huh?
ligament.
So a ligament is attached. That
हाँ,
ligament is called
sphenomandibular.
sphenomandibular ligament. So it's an important ligament on the medial aspect of the ramus of mandible, right? So what are the borders and surfaces of the ramus, Dipanshu?
Sir, upper border था एक.
था नहीं है,
जिसको कि
upper border है और
alveolar part of mandible कहते हैं जिसे.
नहीं बेटा, alveolar part तो बॉडी का होता है जिसमें सॉकेट्स होते हैं टीथ के, ठीक है?
अच्छा सर.
हाँ, ये तो रेमस है ना, रेमस का
हाँ
क्या है?
हाँ जेंट्रिक नर्व्स होती हैं और मैंडिबुलर नॉच.
ये mandibular notch, this is the mandibular notch, right?
Yes, sir.
So mandibular notch is there. So अगर इसको ऐसे देखो तो anteriorly, posteriorly, superiorly, inferiorly, lateral surface, medial surface. ये सारा कुछ, all this is self-explanatory, you know. If you just
Yes,
keep the
sir.
mandible in the anatomical position. So थोड़ा सा और input देने की जरूरत है दीपांशु, right?
Okay, sir.
Navtinder, unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Okay, so mylohide line. What about the genial tubercles, Navtinder, where they are present and what is attached to them?
Sir, genial tubercles are the elevations on the both sides of the mylohide line.
So on the inner surface of the body of mandible in the midline, you have got elevations. And these elevations on either side
Yes,
of the
sir.
midline on the inner surface are called the genial tubercles.
Genial
And
tubercles.
genial tubercles are for which muscles?
Genial tubercles.
Are for genial muscles. So what are the genial muscles?
Genial glossal muscle and genial hyoid muscle.
Right. So you can mute yourself, Prabhandeep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good morning to you. As she said, genial tubercles are for genial muscles. So there are two muscles, genial. Which are they? Can you name them?
Sir, upper one is genioglossal muscle and lower is geniohyoid muscle.
Yes, because the tongue is higher than the hyoid bone. So if my tongue is here, my hyoid bone is here at the level of C3 vertebra. So genioglossus and geniohyoid. Yes. So all these muscles are there. What is this part of mandible called? The junction between the ramus and the lower part of the lower border of ramus and the posterior border of ramus. This junction is called
Sir, the angle of
Yes,
mandible.
this is called the angle of mandible. So somebody asks you what is the angle of mandible, you will say it's a junction of the lower border of the ramus and the posterior border of the ramus. This is called the angle of mandible, right? So we have done the major features. Now, can you tell me any nerve which is in relation to the mandible, Pravandeep? Any nerve?
Sir, from the mental foramen, the mental nerve passes.
So this is mental foramen, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
And
so
sir,
yeah, so you've told mental nerve, yes? So what is the location of mental foramen?
sir, it is below the second premolar.
Okay, it may also be between the two premolars. So it may be below the second premolar, right? You can mute yourself. Aishwarya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so he has told one nerve, Pravandeep has told one nerve, mental nerve. Any other nerve in relation to the mandible?
Sir, lingual nerve.
Where is lingual nerve
Inferior.
related to the mandible?
Sir, at the lingual foramen.
Lingual foramen. Where is lingual foramen?
Sublingual foramen.
Sublingual foramen. There is nothing like a sublingual foramen in the mandible.
Yes.
So ye lingual nerve you have chosen. Where is lingual nerve located in the mandible? That's located. Lingual nerve is located. No, it's located just medial to the third molar tooth, between the end of mylohyoid line and superior constrictor, which is lying posterior to the third molar. So इस area में located होती है, right Aishwarya?
Yes.
Lingual nerve, very important nerve in relation to the mandible for dental procedures. Which nerve? Lingual nerve. Lingual nerve. Any other nerve in relation to the mandible?
So, inferior alveolar nerve.
Pardon?
Inferior alveolar nerve.
Inferior alveolar
No.
nerve. Where is that located?
Inferior alveolar nerve.
It enters which part of the mandible?
Sir, the mandibular canal.
Yes, it enters the mandibular canal. So inferior alveolar nerve enters the mandibular canal. You can mute yourself, Aishwarya. So be careful when you talk about the lingual nerve. It's very important. It's the most important nerve in relation to the mandible. Okay, very important for dental procedures. अगर आपने lingual nerve किसी की damage कर दी तो वो आपको कभी माफ नहीं करेगा, ठीक है? Lingual nerve. Then Ritika, clear? Can you hear me, Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Beta, can you tell me where the lingual nerve is located in relation to the mandible? Can you explain it?
Yes, sir. Superior constrictor at the junction of superior constrictor and lower border of mylohyoid end.
So this is mylohyoid line. So where the mylohyoid line ends, so that is the upper end of mylohyoid line. Yes, not the lower border. That's
Yes.
the upper end of mylohyoid line. So behind the third molar lies the superior constrictor.
Superior constrictor.
So between these two, medial to the third molar, is the location of lingual nerve.
No.
Right? So lingual nerve is going to supply the which part? Tongue. It is going to supply the tongue. Yes?
Tongue.
Yes. So lingual nerve is there. Okay. Any other nerve in relation to the mandible, Ritika?
Sir, mylohyoid nerves and vessels.
So where they are located?
Mylohyoid groove.
Mylohyoid groove. So is this the mylohyoid groove?
Sir, I think little bit above.
No, here just below the mandibular foramen, this groove is coming. So when the inferior alveolar nerve is going to enter the mandibular canal, before that it gives off the
Yes.
mylohyoid nerve. Yes. So it comes in this groove only. This is the groove for mylohyoid nerves and vessels. Groove. You can see
Okay,
a
sir.
faint groove here. Okay.
Yes,
You
yes.
can mute yourself. Nandini. Nandini.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. So
Good morning, sir.
somebody just told me that inferior alveolar nerve enters the mandibular canal. Do you agree with it?
Mandibular canal.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And then what does it do once it enters the
Sir, it
mandibular?
supplies the teeth.
Yes.
Sir, it supplies the teeth, then it enters the mental foramen as no mental nerves and vessels.
So very good. So this is very important. See, this is very important. Mandibular nerve gives off the inferior alveolar nerve, and so inferior alveolar nerve enters the mandibular foramen. Okay, then it passes through a canal. This canal is
Canal.
mandibular canal located between mandibular foramen and mental foramen.
Yes.
And as it is passing through the canal, it gives branches to the lower teeth. So you know that this is the nerve supply of the lower teeth. So whatever pain is there, if a person is telling you that I have pain in the lower part of my teeth, that means it is due to the branches of inferior alveolar nerve, which are lying in the mandibular canal. Yes. So you can see that in the next ray whether some nerve is involved or not. Yes. And when this inferior alveolar nerve comes out of the mandible, then we call it mental nerve. So it supplies the region of the chin. Yes. So this is very important. So you can mute yourself. Mehakdeep Kaur. Any other structure?
Yes, sir.
First of all, good morning. Any other structure?
Good morning, sir.
Any other nerve?
Incisive fossa.
Incisive fossa. Okay. So that is here below the incisors. Incisive fossa is there. Right?
Yes, sir.
So any other nerve or vessel in relation to the mandible?
Macinator nerves, sir.
Which nerves, beta?
Mastric nerves, sorry, sir.
Masseteric nerves. Masseteric nerves. So
Yes, sir.
masseteric nerves means the ones which supply the masseter muscle. Okay. So you always remember. See, first time ऐसे ही होता है masseter muscle. Today my daughter was telling I'm reading she was saying something very different. She was reading the endocrine system, but she had heard the word endocrine for the first time in her life. So she was saying it in a very strange way. So I told her it's the endocrine system. Yes. Similarly, now you have heard the term masseter, you're going to become a dentist. So masseter is the most important muscle of mastication. Yes. So when you clench your teeth like this, you can feel the masseter muscle against the fingers when you clench your teeth. All of you can do this. Open the mouth. Close the mouth. Can you feel a muscle here?
Yes, sir.
It comes out like this when you close the mouth. So that muscle is the masseter muscle. It's a very strong muscle. People, you know, in Guinness Book of World Records, they have pulled a truck using this muscle. Rope, they put it in their mouth, clench the teeth. Masseter muscle say it is the strongest muscle by weight in the body. Okay? So it said they are able to pull the truck with this. So masseter muscle. Yes. Very strong muscle. Why I am telling you with an example so that now you remember it. Masseteric. So this masseteric muscle is supplied by masseteric nerve. Yes. So this masseteric muscle is present on the lateral surface of the ramus. So the masseteric nerve passes from where?
Sir, it passes from the mandibular notch.
Yes. So it passes from the mandibular notch. So it comes from here, and then here masseter muscle is lying along with the parotid gland. So it passes deep to the masseteric muscle and supplies it, right? So you can mute yourself. Rhythm.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Any other nerve or vessel in relation to mandible?
So, inferior alveolar nerves and vessels.
Okay, so we have done that. So inferior alveolar nerves and vessels, they enter which foramen?
It enters the mandibular foramen and passes through the mandibular canal to come out through the mental foramen as mental nerves and vessels.
Okay, beta. Mute yourself. Aina Sharma. Any other nerve
Good
and
morning,
vessel?
sir.
Good morning. Any other nerve and vessel related to the mandible?
So mental nerve and vessels.
Okay, so that has also been covered. Mental nerves and vessels, they come out through which foramen?
So mental foramen.
Mental foramen. Okay, fine. So you can mute yourself. Nisha, are you there? Because I can't see you. Even Kritika has switched off the video. Nisha, are you there? Okay. Maybe Nisha is not there. Manpreet Singh. So when somebody switches off the camera, that means some hanky-panky is going on. Okay. So Manpreet Singh, what are the muscles of mastication? Can you name the muscles of mastication?
Yes, sir. 4 muscle ਦੱਸੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ.
Very good. 4 muscles. So 4 muscles of mastication are there. They are the main muscles of mastication. Name them, please.
Sir, एक तो रेमस के पिछली साइड पे टेरिगॉइड, मेंटल टेरिगॉइड.
नहीं, medial pterygoid कहते हैं उसको. Medial
टेरिगॉइड. एक लेटरल टेरिगॉइड, एक मैस्टिकेटर मसल, और एक है टेम्पोरल.
See, now you must pronounce the names properly. Masseter
and temporal.
Masseter, temporal, medial pterygoid, and lateral pterygoid. So where is masseter attached?
Sir,
Ramus, outer side or inner side?
Sir, masseter उधर inferior posterior part को छोड़ के ऊपर जो होता है, बाकी सारे रेमस पे अटैच होते हैं.
पोस्टीरो सुपीरियर पार्ट को छोड़ के, पोस्टीरो सुपीरियर, ठीक है. जो कि पीछे की तरफ जो है ना, पैरोटिड ग्लैंड होता है. एक पैरोटिड मींस अराउंड द ईयर. तो पीछे पैरोटिड ग्लैंड होता है. अदर देन दैट, अगर इसको हम 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, इफ वी डिवाइड इट इनटू 4 quadrants, you leave the posterior superior quadrant. Remaining all parts, they are related to the which muscle?
Masseter muscle.
Masseter muscle. And this muscle is supplied by which nerve? अभी बताया था, masseteric nerve. Which passes through the masseteric notch. Right? Okay. Mute yourself. Harman, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Morning, sir.
Acha, Harman, what are the muscles of mastication? Name the muscles of mastication. Manpreet has heaved a sigh of relief. What are the muscles of mastication?
Masseteric muscle.
Masseteric muscle.
Masseteric muscle.
हाँ जी.
और lateral pterygoid muscle. Inferior pterygoid muscle.
अगर कोई एनाटॉमी में लेटरल है तो फिर दूसरी मीडियल भी जरूर होगी. ठीक है. Lateral pterygoid, medial pterygoid, masseteric, and the fourth one is temporalis. ठीक है. So ये देखो, these are the muscles which move the mandible. So you are going to go into dental practice. So ये muscles तो आपको पता होनी चाहिए ना अच्छी तरह से, because they move the mandible. ठीक है ना. So माउथ खोलना, जो पेशेंट ने माउथ खोलना है आपके सामने, that is by lateral pterygoid. These 4 muscles, you know, out of them only one muscle depresses the mandible. Depresses the mandible मतलब mouth will be opened by lateral pterygoid. बाकी के तीनों muscles, masseteric, medial pterygoid, temporalis, they close the mouth. So God wants us to speak or God wants us to open the mouth? हाँ, God wants us to close the mouth, ना. 3 muscles दिए mouth close करने के लिए, और माउथ खोलने के लिए एक ही मसल दिया है, लेटरल टेरिगॉइड. Yes, so that is why this says silver is speech and silence is golden, है ना. Silence is golden. So you remember the 4 names. Can you repeat the 4 names, Harman?
Lateral pterygoid muscle.
Very good.
Medial pterygoid muscle.
Very good.
Temporalis.
Temporal region में होती है ना, temporalis. Yes. And strongest? Masseteric.
Masseteric muscle.
Masseteric muscles. Okay. So 10 minutes of time is left now. So thank you, Harman. And out of these muscles, which muscle is responsible for opening the mouth?
Lateral pterygoid.
Yes. Don't forget this now. This is your carry home point for today's class. Nagma, unmute yourself. Harman, you can mute yourself. Thank you. Nagma?
Good morning,
Yes.
sir.
Good morning, beta. Acha, Nagma, out of these 4 muscles of mastication, attachment of any muscle.
मेसेटरी मसल सर उधर रेमस के पास अटैच्ड है पोस्टीरियर सुपीरियर रीजन को छोड़ के वहाँ पे, क्योंकि टेरिगो वो ग्लैंड प्रेजेंट है वहाँ पे, पैरोटिड ग्लैंड.
Parotid,
और-
around the ear. ठीक है, good.
Yes, sir.
So you can mute yourself. Then Parinita, any other muscle of mastication?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Any other muscle of mastication?
Yes, sir. Lateral pterygoid muscle,
Where
medial
is-
pterygoid muscle,
Where is lateral,
temporalis.
where is lateral pterygoid attached?
Lateral pterygoid muscle. Sir, pterygoid fovea.
So where is it located?
Sir, ramus के lateral surface के पास.
No. Pterygoid fovea होता है anterior aspect of neck of mandible. This depression. Pterygoid phobia, anterior aspect of neck of mandible, right? So why is lateral pterygoid important? मैंने अभी बताया था. Lateral pterygoid helps to.
Sir, it is depressor muscle of the mandible. It is the only muscle that helps to open the mouth.
Very good, very good. So you can close. You can mute now. Tushar.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Any other muscle of mastication?
Sir, medial pterygoid.
Where it is attached?
Sir, between the angle of the mandible and the mylohyoid groove.
Yes, so very good. So you can mute yourself now. This is the attachment of here. There are ridges present, and these ridges
Yes.
are for the medial pterygoid. Muskan, I don't know if I'll be able to cover all of you. Muskan,
Morning, sir.
good morning, beta. So which muscle is left now? Lateral pterygoid, medial
Temporalis.
temporalis. Where it is inserted?
Anterior border पे sir. Ramus के.
Anterior border of ramus. So that is temporalis, and also on the this process. What is this process called?
Sir, coronoid process.
Yes. So you can mute yourself, Gurleen. Gurleen,
Yes, sir.
name the muscles of mastication.
These are the masseter muscle, lateral pterygoid muscle, medial pterygoid muscle, and the temporalis muscle.
Okay. So name any nerve related to the mandible.
Okay. The mental nerve,
Mental.
and the vessels. Then we have the lingual nerve,
Lingual nerve.
inferior alveolar nerve and vessels.
Inferior alveolar nerve.
Then masseteric nerves and vessels,
Yes.
auriculotemporal nerves, and the maxillary artery.
Good. So stop here. Mute yourself. Simran Pathania. So nobody mentioned about the auriculotemporal nerve. Simran Pathania.
Yes, sir.
Any idea about auriculotemporal nerve?
Yes, sir.
Where it is
तो
located?
ये जो कंडाइल प्रोसेस है उसके नेक में प्रेजेंट होता है
उसके नेक में तो बेटा आगे लेटरल टेरिगॉइड अटैच होता है ना, नेक के मीडियली
नेक में मीडियली अबव होता है ऑरिकुलर, अबव होता है ऑरिकुलर नर्व एंड बिलो होता है मैंडिबल नर्व, मेंटल नर्व,
maxillary artery. Okay, so
maxillary artery.
mute yourself. Ananya, I've got only 5 minutes left now. Ananya,
Yes, sir.
can you repeat what Simran just said? Relation of auriculotemporal nerve and maxillary artery.
So it is present in the coronoid process.
कोरोनल प्रोसेस तो आगे होता है बेटा, ये होता है कंडाइलर प्रोसेस पीछे वाला. कंडाइलर प्रोसेस का एक हेड होता है, नीचे नेक होता है. नेक के एंटीरियरली कौन सी मसल होती है? which I asked Parinita. नेक के एंटीरियरली लेटरल टेरिगॉइड और नेक के मीडियली
Medial pterygoid.
Okay, so then Tamanna, mute yourself. Ananya,
Yes, so good morning, sir.
good morning beta. So what are the relations of auriculotemporal nerve and maxillary artery to neck of mandible?
So the position,
Yes,
upper one is the auriculotemporal nerve and the lower one is maxillary artery.
Right, very good. So you can mute yourself. Pushdeep Kaur,
Yes, sir.
name the muscles of mastication.
Sir, temporalis muscle, masseter muscles, lateral pterygoid muscle, and medial pterygoid muscles.
Where is lateral pterygoid attached?
Sir, it is present on the anterior part of the neck of the condylar process.
Okay, thank you. Mute yourself. Then Aina Sharma, आपका हो गया? जिसका हो गया मुझे बता देना, because I think repeat हो रही है मेरे पास photos.
Yes, sir. हो गया मेरा.
Then no, I am not able to see all of you actually. सब चुप के बैठ गए हो. अब किसका नहीं हुआ? Just raise your hand. हरजोत सिंह आपका नहीं हुआ ना? हरजोत सिंह.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, हरजोत सिंह, name the muscles of mastication.
Sir, temporalis muscle, in lateral pterygoid muscle, medial pterygoid muscle, and mesenteric muscles.
Mesenteric muscles. Okay. So, what are the ligaments of mandible?
Sir, नहीं पता, याद नहीं है.
Sphenomandibular and stylomandibular ligament, right? Sphenomandibular and stylomandibular ligament. So let me see. Tamanna Sajdeva, आपका हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ankita?
No, sir.
Okay. Name any nerve in relation to the mandible?
So, lingual nerve.
Okay. So now I'll ask, because I'm running short of time, Kriti, Gangar.
Yes, sir.
Where is auriculotemporal nerve related to mandible?
Sir, it is present on the neck of the condylar process.
Medial side of?
surface.
Okay. So let me ask Kritika, roll number 25. Name the muscles of mastication.
Yes. So medial pterygoid muscle, lateral pterygoid muscle, and masseter muscle, temporalis muscle.
Okay, Jaskirat, where is maxillary artery located?
Maxillary artery.
Yes, maxillary artery.
Artery is located on the medial aspect of the condylar process in the lower portion.
Yes, of the neck of the condylar process. So what is located on the anterior aspect of the neck?
Auriculotemporal nerve.
Anterior aspect of neck, anterior. Auriculotemporal भी medial होती है. Anterior aspect of neck. Muscle होती है.
Lateral pterygoid muscle.
Lateral pterygoid, good. So अब कौन रह गया बेटा? निष्ठा महेश, आपका नहीं हुआ ना?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Nishta Mahesh, where is facial artery and facial vein located to mandible?
Sir, at the junction of body and ramus. Facial artery is anterior and facial vein is posterior.
Okay, Gurleen Kaur, आपका नहीं हो गया बेटा? Gurleen Kaur?
Sir, no.
तो बताओ बेटा फिर, where is medial pterygoid attached?
Sir, medial pterygoid. Sir, below the mylohyoid groove.
Very good.
At the angle of mandible.
Yes. Navdeep Kaur, roll number 32. Navdeep Kaur. Name the muscles of mastication.
Sir, lateral pterygoid muscle, medial pterygoid muscle, temporalis muscle, masticatory muscle.
इतना मुश्किल नाम है क्या? Masseter muscle. Ria, roll number 43. Name the muscles of mastication. I've got 30 seconds left now. Name the muscles of mastication. I can't hear you. बेटा Ria, unmute तो किया नहीं आपने. Devinder Kaur, name the muscles of mastication. Lip read कर लिया मैंने आपको. हाँ. Devinder Kaur, name the muscles of. हाँ.
Lateral pterygoid muscle, medial pterygoid muscle, temporalis and masseter muscle.
Okay, Harshleen. Nerves and vessels in relation to mandible.
Sir, the nerve and vessels